So Nagaraj, the data center interconnect or DCI market, I mean, this is a booming market, there's a lot of interest, a lot of growth. What are the drivers here? What's fueling this market?
I think as the enterprise services move to the cloud, that is driving more effectively it will be in the cloud. Second one is the residential video. So these two applications or services which are very high bandwidth demand as well as lower latency. So the network architecture is changing now. Earlier the 3 or 4 layer networks with IP and transport and all of them move into a data center type of architecture. So in our view we see a long haul data center network and a metro data center network, and particularly the metro traffic is booming now. So the latency, high capacity and the power and footprint are the bigger challenges today for the networks. That's what we are working on.
Okay. And so what are the particular challenges for the data center operators in terms of transferring traffic between the different locations?
I think the main highest capacity at the lowest price. And second point is the power. Data center power application is, for example, you look at 100G or 200G, and DWDM is the power consumption is pretty high. So we work on to reduce the power. And other part is the designs that are used for telco networks are not suitable for the data center networks. For example, 600 millimeter front to back cooling, and as well as management. Most data center operators want to integrate the DCI with their existing IT structure management, which means open flow, NetConf management, CLI, all those. So in my view, there are 3 parts to it. One is high capacity, second one is power, footprint and real estate in terms of it. Third part is open management. You should be able to fit into existing data center management architecture. They should be able to manage the data center box same as they manage a switch or a router. So it should not be a different box which is separately. And also seamless agility in growing the bandwidth, because data center bandwidth cannot be pre-planned so much. It's a dynamic, agility is very important for data center. So that's what are the 3 challenges we see coming. Yeah.
And so what is specific to Huawei's DCI platform? How do you differentiate yourself in the market?
We are number one, humbly put it, in the DWDM arena. So we put that technology to build this OSN 902 box. It's a 2RU box with the 2.4 terabit capacity. That's the industry leading capacity. Second point is it's also very lowest power consumption, even by the industry reports. We nearly use 0.5 watt per gig. That is pretty much industry leading. And third point is open management. It is purpose built for the today's data center networks as well as cloud networks. And with this, with our open interfaces, you can seamlessly provision the 40G, 10G, 100G, 200G, and 400G. With our self-built ASICs, we can go longer distance and higher capacity at a lower price point. And latency is an also important concept which we work on that with built-in security. And so at this point, we have put industry-leading technology in this box right now.